Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Ubud city. As we know together, during the pandemic corona, that will be for sure still very quiet right there. But I just want to show you how look like at the moment the condition right there. So I will drive around in Ubud, maybe around 15-minute driving, and I will make video without skip. So just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Ubud in May 2021. And now we are in Campuhan Street. Okay, you can see the view from here is very beautiful. I mean very green in Ubud. And now we reach Raya Ubud Street. You see the left side? There's a temple just on the river. But I'm sorry because I'm driving, so not really clear to see that the temple. You see the beautiful view here. It's very green, but very quiet. Okay, so far we see together. In Ubud, it's still very quiet, no tourists right there. You see the shop, left side and right side. Yeah, that is shop still closed there. Ubud is very famous place because a lot of artists live in here. So in Bali, it's very famous of the arts. We have three art very high in Bali. Dancing, painting, and wood carving. So Ubud very famous because a lot of artists live in here, and you can see along the way is very artistic. And you can see the weather today is very beautiful, very blue sky, nice street, very clean, and no people on the sidewalk. Okay, this is the central of Ubud. When you see the left side, there is the palace of Ubud. Usually, lots of people around here. They want to see the palace. And also, this area very famous because we have palace, we have a restaurant, we have the bar, and we have also art market. Close each other. In the right side, there is art market of Ubud. Usually, it's very busy people here to do some shopping. But you see, a lot of the shop closed. And not so many car parking. Usually, the car parking here is always full. And now I will make video around 15 minutes without skip. So I just want to show you how look like condition at the moment in Ubud. So this is real happening now in Ubud. Oh, some tourists there. Happy to see that actually. Okay, from Raya Ubud, I turn right to explore Hanuman Street. When you see along the way, the right side and left side there is the bamboo with decoration. That thing we call penjor. We put the penjor along the street because in Hindu they just have ceremony we call galungan and kuningan. So load the penjor along the way. Okay, let's see together. Left side, right side, the shop. And no people walking on the sidewalk. Usually a lot of tourists around here just walking on the sidewalks to do some shopping because this area is very nice and very artistic shop. We hope together the corona pandemic will be over as soon as possible so people can be live like normal as before. In Bali, we have three areas we call green area from the COVID: Ubud, Sanur, and Nusa Dua. So, our government planning will be open international tourism in June or July. We starting from Ubud, Sanur, and Nusa Dua. So, we are really hope government will be open international tourism as soon as possible. Okay, from the Hanuman Street, I will turn right to explore Monkey Forest Street. So this is the Monkey Forest Street. Yeah, just the same. Still very quiet. But I have to show you how look like exactly in Ubud at the moment. And today is around 11 a.m. I drive around and I make video. I just want to show you how look like Ubud at the moment. Okay, this area is a monkey forest area. In the left side there is the monkey forest. Yeah, monkey forest there at the front, left side. Hopefully we will see the monkey, some monkey outside. Oh, here it is. There's the monkey. Hello. Hello, monkey. They live nature in this forest. Oh my god. It's still very quiet. Usually along the street, a lot more the bike parking beside the street. Also car, but today is empty. if someone been Ubud before and they are see this video, for sure they will feel very stranger of the Ubud. It's not look like a normally unbelievable, it's just very quiet. So, this is the condition about Ubud now, in May 2021. So what do you think? Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I have more information about the Bali. See you in the next video. Bye bye.